So if you're struggling with timing your trades, these ERI arrows really giving us an edge, especially when combined with these other indicators, which I'll turn some of these off for now and just to focus on the two most important ones, which are the trend strength indicator and our early reversal indicator. Now, these were great on weekly timeframes and monthly. The monthly time frame for Bitcoin only fired 4 times at or near market bottoms, and that's what gave me the conviction to put in a buy order to get back in the markets in Jan 2023 at the depths of the bear market, right after we hit 16.5 and stayed there for a while, which I had also forecast 5 months beforehand. So these are really giving us an edge. I'm encouraging you. Many of you already have these. I see familiar names in our M3 Active Trader class and in our Retire Rich classes. And talking to those of you that don't have these yet, these will certainly help you in your trading and will more than pay for themselves in the next bull run. I guarantee it. And so what we are doing in this class, reading some news, showing how to use the indicators, and toward the end, we can look up some coins and some hot movers if you like. All right, so just showing you this, hindsight 2020, obviously, but is also helpful to notice these patterns. So the way that we use these when we see a red ERI, early reversal indicator, and incidentally, this is not some simple cute arrow that just appears. There's a lot of math and quant work on the actual oscillator, but we don't show it because it hurts the eyeballs. And then so we coded it with arrows. But essentially, I noticed a certain pattern that when it happens within 3 time periods and it moves from one level to another, and within 3 time periods, then it's highly likely to go and oscillate all the way to the other side. And Joe, our quant engineer partner, also layered in a Keltner channel. So you don't see all of that stuff, but that's what's going on here. And now our confirmation on these is this TSI. So when we see a red arrow and we see the TSI flip red, and ideally the confirmation is here below 80, then that's that confirmation to get out, and we can see that oscillated down here. Similarly, on the bullish side, when we see these green arrows and the green TSI as an entry point, especially if we see a double bottom on those, because we see the nicest moves there. This has worked very well on Bitcoin on the weekly time frame. And so I'm talking to mostly those of you who this is new for, but also to our longtime traders. Remember, specifically, what will our signals be to get out of the market? You know how many people are called the top correctly? I did. And so we believe we'll call the top again correctly. I called it here. Some of you remember I was saying in November of 2021, it's time to get into cash. December as well. January, I was pounding my fist, get out of the market. Some of you listened. At least one of my private clients said he listened and saved 100K missing out on this bloodbath. So I'm not trying to boast or brag. I'm saying these are the signals we use.